Hi there, I'm Gray Buck, Major League Fishing Pro, and today I want to talk to you about Megaware's Battery Guard. And what this does is it goes underneath your trolling motor and cranking batteries in your bass boat, or if you have a camper, ATV, UTV, any of that needs to absorb some of the shock, you simply place this underneath your battery. And what this does, being this rubber material, it sits directly under it and it absorbs 80% of the G-force, which is great because then that prolongs the life of your batteries. You don't have to worry about them breaking down early, especially lithiums. You have a real long lifespan, so you want to protect these as much as you can, whether you're out in rough water or if you're just traveling down the road, you get a lot of vibration. So these battery guards are great because they can fit any size battery that you have. So if you have a size 31, you're running a full size battery, you don't have to trim this at all. But if you have a group 27, 29, you simply measure it out. They got these fancy lines here that let you just cut right down them, make sure it's like the same exact size that your battery will be. You put it under there. When you cinch down your battery holds, whether it's a strap or you got one that presses down with like some wire nuts on it, it's super easy, protects your batteries, and you get a lot longer life out of them.